Greetings, financial enthusiasts, to Investor Web, your reliable resource for all things investment and wealth creation. This is the place where we decode the complexities of the financial world and transform them into digestible nuggets of wisdom. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting your journey, there's always something new to learn. So, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and join our ever-growing community. Today we delve into the secrets of the ultra-rich as we unveil 10 secrets only billionaires know. So buckle up. First on our list, billionaires do not work for money. Now that may sound paradoxical, but let's delve a little deeper. The wealthy don't just exchange their time for money, an approach that has a clear ceiling. Instead, they focus on generating passive income. Imagine a river continuously flowing. That's how billionaires view income. It's not a stagnant pool, but a dynamic stream. They create multiple income streams that continue to flow even when they're not actively working. This could be through investments in stocks, real estate, or businesses. It's about building systems that generate wealth, not just working harder or longer hours. This approach frees up their time, allowing them to pursue more opportunities, innovate, and expand their wealth even further. It's a cycle that continually feeds itself, growing larger with each iteration. So the first secret to billionaire wealth is to make your money work for you, not the other way around. Second secret, billionaires are not afraid of taking calculated risks. Yes, risk is an inherent part of the game, but it's not the reckless leap of faith kind. It's the calculated, well thought out kind. Billionaires understand that the path to exponential growth often involves stepping into the unknown, but they don't do this blindly. They approach risk with a scientific precision, assessing potential outcomes, weighing benefits against losses, and taking steps to mitigate any negative impacts. They know that every investment, every business venture comes with a degree of risk, but instead of fearing it, they embrace it, using it as a compass to navigate the vast ocean of financial possibilities. They view risk as a catalyst for innovation and growth, a challenge to be conquered, not a threat to be avoided. This mindset, this ability to perceive and manage risk, is a cornerstone of their success. Remember, without risk, there is no reward. Third secret, billionaires know the importance of a smart entourage. They understand that no one achieves greatness in isolation, and they consciously surround themselves with individuals who are experts in their respective fields. These are people who can provide them with valuable insights, advice, and different perspectives to help them make informed decisions. Think about it. You're more likely to expand your knowledge, learn new things, and come up with innovative ideas when you're in the company of smart individuals. These people challenge your thoughts, push your boundaries, and help you grow both personally and professionally. Billionaires also know that having a smart entourage is not just about having people who nod in agreement to everything they say. It's about having people around who are not afraid to disagree, to question, and to challenge them. This is how they keep evolving, keep learning, and keep moving forward. So, choose your circle wisely. Fourth secret, billionaires are surprisingly frugal. Contrary to the lavish lifestyles often depicted in the media, several billionaires choose a path of modest living, demonstrating an exceptional degree of frugality. They understand the value of money and the importance of sound financial management. Rather than splurging on the latest luxury cars or designer brands, they often live well below their means. This frugality isn't about being stingy, but rather it's a strategic approach to wealth accumulation. They prioritize investing their money in profitable ventures over extravagant spending. The focus is on growing their wealth, not just spending it. Picture this: instead of buying a high-end sports car, they might invest the same amount in a promising startup. The car depreciates over time, but the startup could potentially bring in a significant return. So the next time you're tempted to splurge, think like a billionaire. Remember, it's not about how much you earn, but how much you keep. Fifth secret, billionaires invest in themselves. The wealthiest individuals understand that their own personal growth and development is the cornerstone of their success. They know that to keep growing their wealth, they must first grow themselves. This is why billionaires are often lifelong learners, continuously seeking knowledge and refining their skills. They read extensively, attend seminars, and never shy away from learning something new, even if it's outside their comfort zone. But it's not just about the mind. Billionaires also invest in their physical health. They understand that a healthy body is as important as a healthy mind. Regular exercise, balanced diets, and adequate sleep are all parts of their regimen. Moreover, they also invest their time in building strong relationships, understanding that their network is their net worth. In essence, billionaires know that they are their own greatest asset. They invest time, money, and effort into improving themselves, which in turn enhances their ability to generate wealth. Your greatest asset is you. A sixth secret: billionaires believe in diversification. When it comes to amassing wealth, they don't just rely on one source of income. Rather, they create a variety of income streams. This strategy is a safety net, shielding them from market volatility and ensuring a consistent flow of income. Think of it as a river with many tributaries, each one contributing to the overall flow. If one tributary dries up, the river doesn't stop. It continues to flow, albeit at a reduced pace. Similarly, if one income stream dries up, the billionaire's overall wealth continues to grow from the other sources. Some of these income streams could be investment dividends, rental income, royalties, side businesses, or even passive income from online ventures. The key is to diversify, to spread the risk, and to ensure a steady inflow of income. This is not just about multiplying wealth, but also about securing it. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Seventh secret: billionaires believe in giving back. You see, the world's wealthiest individuals aren't just about hoarding wealth, they're equally passionate about sharing it. They understand that their success is not a solo journey, but a collective effort influenced by the society they live in, the people they work with, and the environment they thrive in. Many billionaires are philanthropists, investing significant chunks of their wealth in various charities, foundations, and social causes. They fund education initiatives, healthcare advancements, environmental protection, and poverty alleviation. They believe that their wealth isn't just for them to enjoy, but a tool to make a positive impact in the world. It's not just about writing checks, though. It's about being actively involved in causes they care about, leveraging their influence to drive change, and using their resources to create opportunities for others. So remember, true wealth is not just about accumulation, but also distribution. Eighth secret: billionaires have a clear vision. A clear, unwavering vision is paramount to the success of billionaires. It's like a compass guiding them through the choppy waters of business and investments. They don't just dream big, they picture it vividly, and they relentlessly pursue it. This vision serves as their North Star, guiding their every decision, every move. It's not just about setting goals, it's about having a grand vision for what they want to achieve, a compelling future that pulls them forward. They visualize where they want to be, what they want to accomplish, and how they're going to get there. Having this clear vision helps them cut through the noise, the distractions, the setbacks. It keeps them focused, driven, and resilient in the face of adversity. Because they know that every step they take, every decision they make is bringing them one step closer to their vision. Know where you are going. This is the mantra of billionaires. Their vision is their roadmap to success, and it can be yours too. Ninth secret: billionaires embrace failure. They don't shy away from it, they don't dread it. In fact, they welcome it with open arms. And why is that? Because they understand that failure is not the opposite of success. It's a part of it. It's a stepping stone, a learning curve, a necessary pitfall on the road to triumph. Billionaires know that every misstep, every mistake, every flop is an opportunity to learn, to grow, to evolve. They see failure as a teacher, a guide, showing them what doesn't work so they can find what does. They know that to reach the peak, one must first traverse the valley. They celebrate these valleys, these failures, because they understand that they are the building blocks of success. They are the lessons that shape their strategies, refine their ideas, and ultimately lead them to their victories. And so they don't fear failure, they embrace it. They don't just fail, they fail forward. 10th and final secret: billionaires never stop learning. You see, the world is rapidly changing, and the only way to keep up is to constantly educate oneself. This is something that billionaires understand and appreciate. They are voracious readers, always seeking to expand their knowledge and understanding of the world. Whether it's through books, industry reports, or engaging in thought-provoking conversations, they are always on the hunt for new insights and perspectives. They understand that their greatest asset is not their bank account, but their mind, and so they invest in it continuously, tirelessly. They are not afraid to venture into new fields, to challenge their own ideas, or to admit when they are wrong. This perpetual thirst for knowledge is what keeps them ahead of the curve, what gives them their edge. In the end, their wealth is a reflection of their wisdom, and wisdom as they say, is the result of lifelong learning. So remember, stay curious, stay wealthy. And let's quickly recap the 10 secrets only billionaires know. They don't work for money, they take calculated risks, and they surround themselves with smart people. They're frugal, invest in themselves, and create multiple income streams. Furthermore, they give back, have a clear vision, embrace failure, and they never stop learning. Remember, wealth is not just about money, it's about mindset. Thank you for tuning in to Investor Web. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more insights. Until next time, keep investing intelligently.